Thanks.
Please introduce yourself.
So my name is Alok. I am from Saran district, Bihar. I have done my matriculation from Chhapra Central School, Chhapra.
Okay, please.
I have done my matriculation from Chhapra Central School, Chhapra. I did my 10+2 from DAV Public School, Hudko, Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. I completed my graduation from Jayaprakash University, Chhapra. My father is a Naib Subedar, retired Naib Subedar, who got honorary status after retirement in 1996, and my brother is in Indian Army. My basic hobbies are playing badminton, listening ghazal and running.
Very good. छपरा के बारे में बताइए कुछ.
Sir, in Chhapra we have Chhapra is in these days 3.5 km long double-decker flyover is being built in Chhapra, which is running from Gandhi Chowk to Nagarpalika Thana Chowk, which is India's biggest double-decker flyover, sir. From Chhapra we have Anand Milind, the famous music composer in Bollywood, and from Chhapra we have Bhikhari Thakur, who is a famous poet and is known for playwright, that is Videsiya.
Isn't it Central University that side?
No sir, Central
Which
University.
is the Central University in Bihar?
So Patna University.
Are you sure?
No sir, I'm not sure. Sorry.
Okay. Badminton is your hobby. Tell me, what is the length of the court?
So the length of the court is 44 feet.
In the singles?
Sorry sir.
Singles or doubles?
So for doubles and singles both.
Width of the court in single and double?
Width of the court for singles is 17 feet, and for doubles it is 20 feet.
And height of the net?
And the height of the net is 5.1 feet at the edges and 5 feet at the center.
5.5 feet at the center. All right. And who is the badminton renowned player of India who has done records in the Olympics last?
So it's PV Sindhu, who has secured gold medal in Badminton World Federation, Basel, Switzerland in 2019 by defeating
Olympics, badminton, any achievement for the country?
So in 2018 Commonwealth Game, Saina Nehwal got gold medal in women's mixed and men's mixed.
Okay. Tell me something about Chief of Defence Staff.
So he is General Bipin Rawat, sir. I don't have any knowledge.
Who is Director General? What is your first choice of joining forces? Is Sahastra Seema Bal?
Yes, sir. My first choice is joining.
What is Sahastra Seema Bal nickname? Nickname क्या है Sahastra Seema Bal?
Nickname, sir, I don't.
Okay. कौन है Director General? कौन है इस केस Sahastra Seema Bal?
IPS Kumar Rajesh
How do
Rani.
you call an IPS officer designation? कैसे इनको इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं किसी IPS ऑफिसर को? जैसे अभी आपने बोला या किसी और तरह से? जैसे आपने आर्मी ऑफिसर के लिए जनरल बिपिन रावत बोला, उस तरह से अगर क्या नाम पता है आपने डीजी साहब का?
IPS Kumar Rajesh Chandra.
IPS कुमार राजेश चंद्र. तो उनको ऐसे बोला जाता है IPS कुमार राजेश चंद्र या कुछ और बोला जाता है? What is your father's name?
Sir, Sri Jayasankar Prasad.
You said he is ex-Naib Subedar and an honorary lieutenant.
Yes, sir.
So how you are saying? Do you know how to speak about your father's post and designation after retirement? कैसे उनको इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे आप? आपको मालूम है? आपके फादर रिटायर्ड नाइब सूबेदार ऑनररी लेफ्टिनेंट है, कैप्टन होंगे. लेफ्टिनेंट है, कैप्टन है?
सर, ऑनररी नायब सूबेदार.
ऑनररी नायब सूबेदार है, तो उनको कैसे बोलेंगे आप? श्री बोलेंगे उनको, ठीक है, लेकिन आगे क्या बोलेंगे? बस छोड़ दिया आपने श्री बोल के, तो उनकी नायब सूबेदारी तो उनके कहते हैं कि डिफेंस पर्सन कैरीज हिज रैंक टू द ग्रेव.
यस सर.
है ना?
यस सर.
उनकी रैंक कभी ले नहीं जाती उनसे.
यस सर.
ठीक है?
यस सर.
तो फिर ऐसे कैसे बोल रहे हो? यू विल ब्रॉट अप इन आर्मी फैमिली, सेंट्रल स्कूल में पढ़ा होगा.
यस सर.
है ना?
यस.
तो फिर ऐसे कैसे बोल रहे हो? Have you traveled in? You must have traveled in India all over. कहाँ कहाँ गए आप?
No, sir.
स्कूलिंग में गए हैं और ऐसे भी गए होंगे?
So I have gone to DAV Public School, only DAV Public School, Hudko Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, sir. For 10,
भिलाई छत्तीसगढ़.
for 10+2.
Okay. रेड कॉरिडोर के बारे में क्या जानते हैं?
Sir, we have Red Corridor which stretches from Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh, sir.
क्यों प्रॉब्लम ये क्या है? नक्सलिज्म क्या है?
Sir, Naxalism, sir, basically originated in Naxalbari village in West Bengal, and it was supported by Communist Party of India, Marxist-Leninists at that time, and the leader of the Naxalism is Charu Majumdar and Kanun Sanyal also.
Okay. Great. Now, obviously, Alok,
Yes, sir.
right? So, Alok, tell me something about your hobbies.
So my hobbies are badminton, playing badminton, listening ghazal and running.
Ghazals.
Yes, sir,
That's
ghazals.
very nice. So, who is your favorite ghazal singer?
So Ustad Jagdeep Singh ji.
जगजीत सिंह. मैं तेरे शहर में आया हूँ मुसाफिर की तरह.
Yes, sir.
Famous ghazal.
Yes,
Who
sir.
sings this?
So Ustad Ghulam Ali Sahab.
And who started ghazals in India?
So I am not aware of that, sir.
Now, if we are talking about ghazals, now let's move on to bit closer to it, Qawwali.
Yes, sir.
Right. So, do you have interest in Qawwali or this well?
So I have listened Qawwali of basically Mehdi Hasan and Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan Sahab ji,
Okay.
but I am not so.
So, who is the person who introduced Qawwali?
So I am not aware of that, sir.
Have you heard the name of Amir Khusro?
Yes, sir.
He was the person. And basically, even about ghazal, it is said that he was the person who started it.
Yes.
And it developed during which period? Obviously, in 1857. Right.
Yes, sir.
Now, coming back to your one more is the badminton running.
Yes, sir.
What is running, by the way? Running or sprinting?
So in sprinting and jogging.
Running or sprinting? What is the difference between running and sprinting?
So both requires strenuous efforts, but sprinting requires a bit more strenuous effort than running.
Okay. So don't you think when we sprint, we most of the time sprint in a competition when the other person is sprinting?
Yes, sir.
And running can be, you don't have anyone, you just run. Is there any difference in that?
Yes, sir. While running, we can run by ourselves, but as far as sprint is concerned, we do have a competition in sprint.
So that should be shared. Yeah, anyways, coming to certain knowledge segment, let's talk about, right? So, what do you mean by the term inflation?
Inflation basically indicates that in inflation the value of money decreases, sir.
Okay, value of money decreases, that is inflation. Why it decreases?
Because the availability of currency increases, sir, in the
Availability of currency
Increases.
has increased.
Yes, sir.
So that's why its value decreased. So what are the measures that can be taken to stop the inflation?
So economic development, sustainable development, sir, these are the measures which can be.
Economic development many a time lead to inflation. Do you think inflation is good or bad?
Sometimes it's good or sometimes it's bad also,
When
sir.
it's good and when it's bad?
So I'm not sure about that, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Now, talking about science and tech now,
Yes, sir.
right? So you must be a technological expert as such, and you have science as your subject. Now, tell me, what is a high fidelity?
No, sir, I'm not aware of that, sir.
Okay. Now, what is a red book?
No, No, sir. I don't know, sir.
Don't know about Red Book?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, which river flows through Chhapra, and what are the main causes of obviously the flood in Bihar?
So Chhapra, through Chhapra, basically Ganga River, Ghagha River, and Gandak River. So these are the three rivers which flow through Chhapra, sir. And because of Ghagha River, many times we have witnessed flood in Chhapra also, sir. And because of Gandak also, flood is witnessed in Chhapra most of the time, sir.
So how can we stop that?
By channelizing the river water and by making canals, sir.
So by channelizing where?
Yes, sir.
Where would you channelize? If you channelize Ganga water to Gandak, obviously it will be overflowing.
Yes, sir.
Is it going to solve the problem then?
No, sir, that is not going to solve the problem. But
So what should we do?
channelizing means diverting the river to different sectors, to different
You
fields.
are talking about a river linking project.
Exactly, sir. Not exactly, but
Okay.
and sir, channelizing means to diverting the river water to some specific areas for any particular purpose also,
That
and
means
to
bringing north to Bihar river to the south Bihar, because it's a rain deficit area in south Bihar.
yes, sir. It may be, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is the historical significance of Chhapra?
So in Chhapra we have Chirand, a place which has a historical
This
significance.
is Saratna.
Yes, sir. It's in Sar, and it's 5 kilometers. It's in Chhapra, sir, and is and historically Neolithic, Chalcolithic, and Iron Age settlements have also been found there, sir. Because we have,
What is the main feature of Chirand? Why it's famous?
so it is famous because of a festival which is called Chhawan Mela or Chhawan Ashram. There is a place where.
Chirand is famous it's a Neolithic finding. What are the findings?
So we have found comb, especially comb, wattle, hot daub, pottery, axes, animal skeleton. Yes, sir. These are.
Chirand is famous because it is one of the only Neolithic site which has maximum bone implements. All the tools were made from bones, and this is the main feature of Chirand,
Yes, sir.
and that's what it is known for.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, Chhapra is the birthplace of Jayaprakash Narayan,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
right? You
Yes.
didn't mention that.
Yes, sir.
Don't you think he is important enough
Yes,
to
sir.
be
He
mentioned?
is very important, sir.
Right.
He,
Now, tell me about JP movement. What was JP movement all about?
it was 1974. 1974 year witnessed high unemployment, lack of supply and essential commodities in the
Okay.
public areas, and because of this there was a protest, and also we have in 1974 Non-Nirman Andolan, which is based in Gujarat, asked Jayaprakash Narayan ji to take a peaceful protest against the government and to ask the government for Bihar for dissolution.
Okay.
And in that year, Jayaprakash Narayan ji,
Can you be short and crisp? Matlab, we don't have all the time in the world to hear everything. Can you be crisp and precise to the point? Now proceed.
so it was JB. It was the movement of a very large number of population, especially including students, and against the government and against the corrupt system, sir.
Okay. So against the government, who was in the government then?
In that government, Srimati Indira Gandhi ji was the
there?
prime
So
minister.
why can't you tell it was a movement against Indira Gandhi? And the atrocities that she has, done on the people.
Yes, sir.
So it could be simply said that like that.
Yes, sir. 8 people were killed in protest in Patna, sir, at that time.
Okay, one more thing now. Coming to your obviously, your father profession, obviously he was in the army,
Yes, sir.
right? So that's a very good thing that he is in the army. Now, even you want to serve the army, and your preference has been, if I say, yes, So SSB is obviously your first choice.
Yes, sir.
Now the second choice is
BSF.
obviously your
BSF.
BSF, and then obviously your Indo-Tibetan Border Police ITBP.
Yes, sir.
Now I just want to talk about ITBP. What do you know about ITBP?
Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force. It was created in 1962 after India-China war, and
Why the term Tibetan there?
so it was basically deployed along that region, sir. Especially after
What?
after the India-China aggression, sir.
Indo-China aggression or China's aggression? on
Sorry,
India?
Chinese aggression, sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
So,
So to basically to guard the Indo-China border along Tibet region. Tibet was quite vulnerable at that time. That's why it was formed.
that's why it was formed. Right. So ITBP.
Yes.
So that's why Tibet name was given.
I am not sure, sir.
You're not sure. Okay. One question that may be asked in your even in your interview there. A new service has been introduced, right? And that is SAI, SAI,
No, I am.
Special Application Internet by the Indian Army. Right. So what is that?
No, sir. I haven't heard about it yet, sir.
Do you read newspaper? Do you go through current affairs?
So I go through news channels, sir.
Okay. What are the main reasons for Indo-China dispute?
So the main
To the point, not to the point.
yes, sir. The main reason is the Chinese aggression along the Galwan valleys and the infrastructural development of Chinese troops along the Galwan rivers also. These are the main reasons, and they are also accusing India to have
What about CPEC?
so China-Pakistan economic corridor. This economic corridor goes to Gwadar, that is in Pakistan, and from China, and that is running from going through POK.
What impact will Atal Tunnel have on India's strategic preparation?
So we have Atal Tunnel, which is 9.6 kilometer in length, and is going to be a bridge between Leh and Ladakh.
Okay.
Leh and Ladakh. So
Leh and Ladakh.
Ladakh, so
चलो लद्दाख कैसे गवर्न होता है?
सर
लद्दाख कैसे गवर्नेंस कैसी है लद्दाख? क्या क्या है लद्दाख में स्पेशल?
Ladakh recently has been declared as a union territory, and without any legislature. So in Ladakh we have a union government, the control of union government. And the head of the executive and the head of the UT is lieutenant governor.
ऑटोनोमस बोर्ड है कोई वहाँ पे?
So no, sir, no autonomous board.
लद्दाख ऑटोनोमस बोर्ड है, बोर्ड काउंसिल ऐसा कुछ है जो गवर्न करती है उसको?
No, sir, it has been demanded. It is being
MP कौन है
demanded.
वहाँ पे? कितने एमपी हैं लद्दाख में?
No, sir, I am not sure.
नाम सुना है, कभी देखा है वहाँ के एमपी को? कहीं सुनते हुए बोलते हुए उसके बारे में कोई चर्चा हुई है?
Sir, I have heard, but I am not able to recall it right now.
राइट ओके, ये बताइए चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ के बारे में कुछ जानते हैं? जैसे आपने बताया जनरल बिपिन रावत, नाम बताया बस,
yes,
कुछ जानते हैं क्या हो रहा है मिलिट्री में? मिलिट्री बैकग्राउंड से इसलिए दोबारा पूछ रहा हूँ. You have any idea about what's happening in military reforms? Recently they have talked about something called theatre commands. Maybe even the police people who are working under the border, CRPF may get into the unified command situation wherein there will be changes. So any sensitization in your mind about these happenings in the country? Something new happening about the police and army organizations and all?
yes, sir. We are basically facing war on 2.5 fronts, sir. So along China border, along
So
Pakistan.
what is this theatre command?
So I am not able to.
Tell me something about the South China Sea.
Sir, South China Sea, it spreads. The South China Sea is basically is claimed by China in 1947 After the defeat of Japan in World War II, China draw 9 dash line in South China Sea and claims that South China Sea is their parts. And after that, there is a island called Spratled Island. China is making claim over this, and as Spratled Island has almost 11.9 billion reserve of natural gas.
What is India initiative in South China Sea?
So India is basically carrying out. There is no any initiative in South China Sea, but in Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean, we are basically.
There is no initiative of India in South China Sea. Is there India doing any oil exploration with help of some other country in that place?
So yes, sir. We are doing Malabar exercise with.
Question was: is there India doing any oil exploration in South China Sea with help of some other country? And our oil rigs have been placed to settle down some oil rigs in that country.
So I am not.
What is exclusive economic zone?
So exclusive economic zone spreads from baseline to 200 nautical miles.
Under which clause this is legal?
It is there in United Nations Convention of Law of Sea.
And clause?
Clause,
Right.
no sir, I don't
And
know.
clause is short form of saying what you are saying. United Nations Convention of Law at Sea.
Yes sir.
That is called unclause.
Yes sir.
Okay, उसी का short form है भाई. आपने बोला तो
Yes.
तो उसको ऐसे बोलना है ना, unclause बोल दो समझ में आ जाए.
Yes sir.
Okay. You are made Chief Minister of Rao. Election is going on,
Yes sir.
and you are made Chief Minister of Bihar.
Yes.
We don't need Mr. Tejasvi Yadav or Mr. Nitish Kumar
Yes sir.
or anybody else. We need you. What are the 3 things which you would like to do for Bihar for 1 year? You are in the chair for 1 year.
Yes sir.
Okay. Let me see your social, connection to the life.
The first of all, I would focus on education, sir. The first education, and the second thing is flood, and the third thing is migration. So these are the main points I would focus on.
Migration तो अभी शुरू हुआ ना, तो ये तो अभी हुआ है. Migration means you would like to stop migration.
Yes, sir. I would like to stop migration
By creating education and flood, you will be able to stop migration.
by creating, sir, factories and companies.
Your priority should, your answer should be linked to each other, no?
Yes, sir.
Migration is not a standalone structure. It is linked to the development of the place.
Yes, sir.
So I don't get your connections. Would you like to realign your priorities? 1, 2, 3. Give a thought and tell me 3 things which you would like to do for Bihar.
So first of all, education. I would focus on education. As per the report which was released by.
Understood. We don't need explanation. Next,
Next is unemployment.
unemployment.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Unemployment, because we have also report of.
Next,
And the next is, sir, migration, sir, of course.
migration. Okay. Right. You have any other questions to ask the board?
No, sir.
Thank you. Please wait outside. Your formal interview is over. We'll call you for debrief.
No, sir.
Please remove it.